What's up, Paul? Oh, is Atticus making the noise?
Yeah, that's Atticus.
Oh.
That's Atticus screaming.
Oh.
That's Poe.
Oh, Poe's, Atticus is
Atticus is
the wine, baby.
Aren't ya?
What are you doing?
Hear him see? He's a little sound. He's a little sound. He just goes
Yeah.
He screams like a big old baby.
You big baby? Is that what we call you? Atticus. Atticus. What you doing, bud? Huh? How we doing? Huh?
Hey, don't let him go too far.
Yeah, I know. You want to go up?
I want to see if they'll eat a marshmallow first.
Okay. You ready to come out?
Hey, you want to try this?
Huh?
You'll try everything, won't ya?
You try marshmallow? Is that what it is? Marshmallow time? Poe eat anything?
Nope, he's not going to eat it.
No? Nope, not gonna eat it. Not gonna eat it.
Try it,
Okay.
Atticus.
We'll go back in there. Nope, they're gonna go back in. What are you doing, mister?
Poe,
Popo going up. Popo going up.
Popo, here, try this. Why is your head red?
You headbutting him?
Come here. Why is your head red? Come here. Come here.
You decide to eat that after all?
He'll nibble it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
What's great? No, no. Of course, he hasn't got.
to get him to.
He's got no top teeth. That's stuck to his lip. It's stuck to his lip. He ain't eating it.
Well, I'd like him to eat it because I gotta give him this.
Oh, okay.
That's a quarter.
Yes. Yeah.
Don't eat that. See his eyes?
Yeah.
He's starting to get copper deficiency. He's also favoring his back leg. I need to get copper in him.
Yeah.
Only way to get copper in him is to get him to eat something.
Yeah.
Or to forcibly shove it down his throat.
I see. Huh. You gonna go out and see what's out in the snow? Huh? Come on. Come on. Come on, you come on out. Come on out. Come on out. Come on. Come on out. Yeah, boy. There we go. What do you think? Huh? What's up? Huh? Good man?
My goats aren't everybody else's goats, though.
What you think?
I know he won't voluntarily eat it, but he'll usually eat anything I give him.
You gonna follow me? Come on. Popo. Come on, follow me. Come on.
Oh, come here a minute.
Come on, Po.
Po, come here a minute. Po. Hey, Po. Want that? Nope.
Come on, dude. Come on. Come on, Po. You say, where did he go? Come on, dude. Popo. Popo. He's curious. I don't know if he'll come around the corner. This is nice snow now. It's had a chance to melt a little bit. Now it's sticky. Popo, what do you do? Go back in?
Yeah, he's in here.
You want to come out? Oh, you're getting up on this hay. What are you doing up there? Bite her in the butt. Bite her in the butt. Bite her in the butt. You ain't got no teeth, upper teeth.
Come here. Atticus, come here. Atticus, come here. Atticus, come here. Eat this. Oh, you dumbass. Come here and eat this. Popo, you don't need it. Popo, you don't need it. Popo, you don't need it. You don't need it. You got hair all around your elbows. Atticus, come eat this. He says, no, I see that in there. I ain't eating it. Damn it. No, I don't have any back
Says it ain't an animal cracker. I don't want it.
No, I know it. No, that ain't animal crackers.
Says if I get up on that roof, I would. The higher I can get up, the better.
I got one more shot. See if I can get you to eat it with some probiotic paste. Ooh, here's some cute little animal crackers.
What are you doing?
What you doing, dude? Probiotic paste.
Says I'm into
Yeah,
climbing.
he likes that.
Says I'm into climbing.
You ain't getting that.
Do some climbing. Huh? If I get up there, I would. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not going to jump up there.
You're not going up there. Don't you even think it.
He's doing his best.
Oh, shit. That's really shit.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Wait. What? You mean the camera? I'm in the camera. Yeah, I'm in the camera. What are you doing, scaredy cat? What are you doing, scaredy cat? Huh? What's that thing? That's the camera. That's the camera, huh? What's that thing, huh? What do you think?
What'd I do with it? Here it is.
I know we don't have any animal crackers. What are you doing? If I get up there, I would. Now I need to get down. I'm bored. What are you doing, Atticus?
What? He's not making this for you. I'm making this for your big ass baby brother that won't eat nothing. Here, try this. Try this. Come on, try this. Come here, try this.
What if you put it in the...
Come here, try this.
What do you put it... What
No, they're smart.
What do you put
try this.
in the pellet? Eat it.
Come here, try this. Not you. I know you'll eat it. You'll eat anything but marshmallows. Come here, try this. It's got animal crackers in it. Come on, it's got animal crackers in it. Don't make me get a bolus gun and shove it down your throat. Come here. Come here. Look. No, look it, dude. Look it. No. Look it. Please 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 look it. Come on, dude. Oh, you're going to make me shove it down your throat, aren't you? Which means I'm going to have to go to Tractor Supply. Get a big ass straw. And put you in the freaking pen. And pry your mouth open.
Can you put it in...
And shove it down your throat and go...
You put it in the...
He won't eat it that way.
Put it in the thing there? And then mix it with...
Look it. It's animal crackers. Oh, you're such an asshole. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come here, dude. Dude.
You're gonna get me now. I'm in here. I'm in here.
Come on. Hey. You're such a schmuck.
Babe, where'd you put
Yes.
Put it in there and put some pebbles on it. Just for him.
He's not gonna eat it.
Maybe it might get mixed with the other. Where's the... Just put it on top of it.
I don't know why you don't understand that he won't eat it.
Come on, Paul. Paul.
Get your head out of there.
Paul. It's just Paul. Just let Paul in. Come on, get him. Bring him out. Bring him out. Babe, bring him out and let Atticus see. Now you get out of there. Let him eat.
He'll eat with me in here, but he's not going to eat it.
Oh.
He's going to eat all around it.
Make sure it's in the area he can eat it.
He's going to eat all around it. He's not going to eat it.
Wait, it eats animal cracker. He may.
See?
I don't know. Is he?
No. He checked that stuff out and then he said no.
Mix it in. Mix it. Flatten it out, mix it in with it if you can.
You can't. It's a pill.
Yeah, no.
See?
Oh. Oh.
It's a pill.
Okay, open his mouth up and stick it in his mouth.
Oh, yeah?
You want to stick it out?
He'll spit it right out.
Really? So you got to get one of those long syringes, huh? I know, mister. I know. You can go out in the snow? Huh? You go out in the snow? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Ever wondered what a goat's paw footprint looks like in the snow? Huh? Look like deer. Little deer prints. Double hooves.
Would you let me out?
Would
you let me out? You don't want it. Here. You don't want it. You don't want it.
No, he wants to.
Here, throw that out.
Throw it out now?
Yeah, it's no good.
Oh. I'll throw it out here for a bird. Oh, okay. Alright, so we got to go get him I got to run downtown anyway, get some propane for my torch. You guys good? Huh? Atticus, you good? They want to take you a vitamin this morning. Goof. Alright. Yeah, right. Be good. You all set? They all set? Got plenty of hay, eating your pellets, got your warm water. Huh?
For now.
Alright, we are another winter's day for the
I don't know what's wrong with his head.
for the goats. Oh, they're probably headbutting each other.
I don't know why he's got blood on his head.
Well, even if he doesn't
I don't
have.
see any on Atticus.
Yeah.
Hang on a second, I want to look at his head.
Probably headbutting each other.
Right, none in there either. God damn it, I wish I had some more animal crackers.
We'll go down to Tractor Supply and get you some animal crackers.
I gotta go to Dollar Tree.
Oh,
Can't get him in Tractor Supply.
okay. Now, as y'all may know, they don't have upper teeth. They only got lower teeth. They got stiff gums on the bottom, so they really can't.
Oh, stop it.
They can
you
nip,
ain't a big baby.
They can nip you,
head.
but they really can't hurt you.
Let me see your head. No, let me see your head. No, come here, let me see your head. Come here, let me see your head. You ain't scared of me. You ain't scared of me. Let me see your head. Get your butt up here, let me see your head.
That his blood?
It's blood.
Huh?
It's blood.
Yeah. Must be banging each other in the head or something.
Let me see if that's a cut. No, dude, come on. I need to see if it's a cut. Let me see. No, come on now. You're such a good boy. Let me see. Yeah, you're okay. He's alright. Yes, yes.
It's 40 degrees today,
He's
so
okay.
they're in real good shape.
Mama Mommy will be back with some animal crackers.
Baby, can you
Go
grab?
eat your food.
You want to grab that rope? That string. I think they'll hang themselves with it or anything.
Tie that around Atticus' neck.
Alrighty. You're good for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch us on the next. Go with love.